Have you ever wondered how an electric iron is made? From molten metal machines to precision assembly.
After the security inspection, the white Isuzu NPR box truck carrying raw materials is allowed to enter the factory.
Workers and machines unload the raw materials from the Isuzu NPR truck and prepare them for the manufacturing process.
Some parts of the iron are made using the metal casting process.
The molten metal is then poured into special molds to create strong and precise components. As the molten metal cools down, it slowly solidifies into the desired shape.
In this process, metal is heated until it melts and turns into liquid.
These newly formed parts are then prepared for the next stage of the iron manufacturing process.
Powerful grinding machines are used to remove rough edges and make the surface smooth. A smooth surface helps the iron glide easily over clothes without damaging the fabric.
After casting, the iron base plates move to the grinding and polishing section. This process ensures that the base plate becomes perfectly flat and smooth. Once polishing is complete, the base plates are ready for the next stage of assembly.
Once the base plates are formed, they move to the next stage of production.
The manufacturing process begins with large metal sheets. These sheets are placed on automated cutting machines that cut them into the required sizes with high precision.
In large factories, automated systems and robotic machines handle the cutting process, making production faster and more efficient.
In large factories, automated systems and robotic machines handle the cutting process, making production faster and more efficient.
Once the base plates are formed, they move to the next stage of production.
Once the sheets are cut, the metal pieces are prepared for the next stage of the manufacturing process.
After cutting, the metal pieces are transferred to powerful hydraulic press machines. This shaping process gives the iron its strong and smooth base.
These machines apply strong pressure to shape the flat metal into the base plate of the iron. In large factories, automated production lines shape thousands of metal plates every day. This shaping process gives the iron its strong and smooth base.
After polishing, the iron base plates move to the assembly section.
The heating element is carefully fixed to ensure efficient heat distribution. This heating element converts electrical energy into heat.
A heating element is installed inside the iron to generate heat.
Proper installation of the heating element is essential for the iron to work correctly.
Technicians carefully connect electrical wires to supply power to the heating element. After installing the heating element, the irons move to the wiring section.
A thermostat is installed to control the temperature of the iron.
Every wire connection is carefully checked to ensure safety and reliability.
The handle is then attached securely to provide a comfortable grip.
The outer body of the iron is carefully placed over the internal components.
After the internal components are installed, the irons move to the body assembly section.
All parts are tightly secured to ensure the iron is strong and durable.
Once the wiring and thermostat installation are complete, the irons move to the next stage of assembly.
The thermostat automatically regulates heat and prevents overheating.
Once installed, the irons move to the next stage for wiring and temperature control. Once the body and handle are assembled, the irons move to the quality testing stage. After assembly, every iron goes through a strict quality testing process.
The irons are connected to electricity to check if they heat properly.
Technicians carefully inspect the performance and safety of each iron.
Once the irons pass all quality tests, they move to the packaging section.
After packaging, every product goes through a final inspection process to ensure quality and safety. The finished products are carefully packed to protect them during transportation.
Finally, the packaged irons are shipped to stores around the world.
After traveling from the factory, the delivery truck arrives at the mall's loading area, where the products are unloaded.
Once the inspection is finished, the truck is allowed to leave the factory and begin its delivery journey.
The truck then travels through highways and roads to deliver the products safely to markets and stores.
The products are then placed on store shelves so customers can easily see and choose them.
Finally, customers visit the store and purchase the electric irons for their everyday use.